So this fire starter is pretty much available anywhere in the world. Just kind of depends where you're at. You'll see what I mean. Not a first best choice though, as it is quite toxic, but it works well in a pinch. Given its relevance, we're gonna adventure this video out to a special location. Nowadays, codes have been replaced with a sort of tagging called monokering. From Swampy to Lord Flies, Three Fall to High Pockets, these autographs adorn black snakes to boxcars and hobo jungles alike. Not to worry, we're getting to our fire starter, just some scenery along the way. And onto our regularly scheduled programming. So what you're looking for is a train siding, train tracks general. And what we're looking for once we find the train tracks are wooden railroad ties. All this type of wood, whether they're cross ties, in this case these ties are concrete, but all of the wooden ties are soaked in a chemical compound called creosote, which is a coal-based tar wood preservative that's highly carcinogenic. Generally around trackside you can find some decommissioned ties or ties that just have never been used that are sort of cascaded along to the side of the tracks. From there, you just want to grab a piece of the tie, which will be right now very wet but highly soaked in creosote. Kind of just like with fatwood, you're going to want to take and scrape off a bunch of the tie wood into a fine tinder pile. It's going to crumble a little easier as you go. You can do some slivers. Use the back spine of your knife. Just get a bunch of it off there. And then once you have your pile sorted, you're going to take your ferro rod, give it an ignite. There you go. A little bit of a creosote treatment for your fire starting needs. Initially, hobos, yegs, tramps, and bindlestiffs communicated via semiotics through a series of symbols scrawled in chalk on train cars or carved with a knife on a farm fence, water towers, trestles, etc. A black snake cut in half might depict a rickety coal car, while a triangle on top of a box with a cross on its peak scratched into farmer's fence might say as much as pretend to be religious and they'll let you sleep in their barn. Nowadays, codes have been replaced with a sort of tagging called monikering. From Swampy to Lord Flies, Three Fall to High Pockets, these autographs adorn black snakes to boxcars and hobo jungles alike.